Hey, listen, man, I'm just finishing the Matt Pars YouTube Mastery and Monetization course. And man, when I tell you, Matt, this program, I just want to thank you, man, for this program. This program is absolutely amazing. And for anyone who is considering or remotely thinking about taking a chance on this course, let me tell you, I'm 53 years old and I've bought into several trainings and invested in programs dealing with entrepreneurship and bringing in revenue. And I'm just that type of guy. And when I saw this program that Matt has to offer, I was actually signed up for an affiliate platform, which was Digistore 24. And when I saw his program that I was interested in promoting, I went to the section where he has promotional helps and actually saw where he had a webinar that he markets. And I ended up on the webinar. And after seeing the webinar, I was sold. I even purchased the program. Not only do am I interested in marketing his program, but I purchased it. And when I tell you it is the best investment that I've made this far in my life as far as the value, pound for pound value. And he's so detailed. He's a take action type of trainer, and it's detailed. It's very simple. He doesn't make it hard, and he lets you know in detail what you can and cannot do as far as expecting what to do to expect the best results. And even after all this detailed information, where he just literally teaches you how to fish, he even has a bonus section for those who are interested that adds even more value. And I'm just blown away. I mean, the value that you receive in this program is amazing. And with honor, Matt, I just want to say thank you for this program. It is absolutely amazing. Anybody considering jumping into this program, I'm telling you, you will not regret it. And if you do regret it, send me a message and I'll apologize to you because I don't think that'll happen. All right.